Morning, folks. Morning. Here we are. We're out. There's a bit of scaffolding in the way, but never mind. We have arrived in Paris. Now, I'd just like to remind you of a few things. We are doing it for charity, so please pledge some money towards the good cause. A bit of update yesterday. When the 2CV got to the first destination, the Beefeater, we had a bit of a gearbox oil leak, so we had to fix that all over the floor of the car park. No was issues really, was there, with the cars?
We went down the Eurozone.
Oh yeah, but that's just you being stupid.
Yeah, my Bluetooth wouldn't pair for a bit, so I had no music in the Tesla for a while, which is quite distressful.
Yeah, no music. Oh.
And we started with 80%, we were novel.
Yeah, you was hampered yesterday. Unfortunately, this is the day that Tesla's go in front. The leaderboard is the 2CVs in front. The Mahar is behind by 46 minutes, and the Tesla's 55 minutes behind. My handy adjudicator will hand out the passes.
Marvellous, thank you very much. Thank you.
We'll get Neville to read this one out. We'll get Justin to do it.
Okay. Sunday Challenge 1. The clock will start once the adjudicators have posted a group photo on Facebook with the Eiffel Tower in the background. 2. You need to drive to Lemdes and find the 2CV on the right. Once you have found it, you'll need to post a team selfie with the eggs and location in the background, and your clock will stop.
I'm starting.
And this is a challenge. Have a little look yourself. So we are. Oh yeah. By the way, egg update. Exciting stuff. Is no eggs are broken. So
we haven't checked if you drove over these cobbled streets this morning.
2CV will be fine.
Yeah, I'm thinking more than Tesla.
Got that big wheel.
So we'll catch you all later. Cheers, bye. That with the motor show is?
The ritual of the
No, the motor show. You want to get right out. I'll let you run. I'm not going to tell you what to do.
Oh, they're going in.
I don't know if it is. I guess it is.
They're going in. This doing the whole up this. Helicopters.
Continue on Zombie Reserve.
Yeah, our friends coming up to the tour booth. It'll work.
I'll be holding it all way.
Oh no, that worked. Yeah. Didn't quite work to plan that time, folks, but we have our secret weapon. We tag. So we're going to queue up with the peasants pay by card. It's a lot quicker. Especially the last stint when we're going through all the tour booths. There's quite a few tour booths now on the way to Cassis. I think there's about 6 to go through. And we are doing 75 miles an hour. The 3 of us in it. There they are, the losers. Here, I'll put a bit of V power in. This is what we need. And look, we've just pulled up. It's James!
How are you faster than us? How is that possible?
Skill.
The Mahari is a lighter car, and you three are in that thing. So how does this?
I reckon we are carrying about 50 stone in weight between the three of us.
It's got to be aerodynamics, right? So the Mahari
No, it's just skill, mate.
The Mahari has a really square front, so surely aerodynamics have to come into play. You're doing 68, we're doing 65.
I'm not saying anything, it's just my skill of rebuilding that engine. I'm shaving a little bit off the barrels, but I'm not saying that. We're going to check our gearbox oil because we got a few dribbles. Is that dribbles on the floor or is that somebody else's car? No.
Do you have keys?
No. Let's see if we got any. Let's see if we got any dribbles on. Yeah, we seem to have a bit of a technical issue with the dribbling on the floor. Yeah. That's us.
What's that, engine or gearbox?
Yeah, you'll see a Tesla go past in a minute.
That's them.
Yeah, look, there they come. Woo!
Oblivious.
No oil coming out. I think we need to get some gearbox oil. No, we'll do you a favour because we're taking weight off you.
Yeah, right. Right,
What's the procedure one?
Yeah, it is a massive procedure getting in this. Can you see how easy it is? It's a joke. Hot hedge.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? But you think nobody's going to nick it because they can't bother to get in it. You can't break the window, can you, with a brick? They're not going to smash the glass, are they?
Hopefully gearbox oil.
We've got a handy squirter in it.
Yeah, there's normally one in the top.
Sweet.
Oh, no, I don't like that brand. Oh, here we are, folks, again. We're leaking a bit of oil. But see, we got to put some gearbox in. I need to go to the toilet because I'm desperate. I expect my Mahari team will get in front of us before we set off. But I gotta go. Birthplace of the bloke who created it and commissioned it. Young day, whatever it was.
Citroen.
Eggy Weggers. Let's go, dude. No cheers. In case you don't know, this car was put up 10 years ago to celebrate with the birthplace of a chap who created or brought to life the 2CV. Quick, Jacob, I'll break your eggs. And it was Mahari team cheated as always. Was it down there somewhere?
I think, yeah.
Where's that?
Yeah, it's down there in that street, isn't it? Yeah, I can see it from here, it's down in that street.
Yeah, this is a, you can get around the church, I assume. Tourists. Yeah, it's Mark 3 Golf.
You are going the wrong way down the street.
Now we're going down the right way.
Tips directions. Didn't you say it just a minute ago?
Yeah, no, I think you go down the next one, and then it's to your right.
Yeah, I think it is, yeah.
No, it's this one. It's down to your right, I believe.
Just there.
Yeah.
Yeah.